Good morning, students. Did you remember to take your attendance in Skyward? Hopefully that was a yes. I reminded you guys a bunch of times, but remember, in order to be counted for present and your attendance for your e-learning day, you have to take your attendance in Skyward. So after you've done that, I'm going to have you go ahead and log into Teams, get into the Programming and Gaming team, and locate the 4 YouTube videos that I uploaded there about various computer programming careers. So I'd like you to watch each of the 4 videos. They're very short in length, 1 to 2 minutes. They're all posted here in the Conversations tab in Teams. Watch all of them. Then choose one of the careers that you found interesting or something that you thought you might see yourself doing in the future. And click reply and make a comment about that career. Or if you learned about something new that you didn't know about a specific career, feel free to share that as well. In addition to replying to one of the YouTube video posts, I would also like you to comment on one of your classmates' posts. So that's a total of 2 posts by Tuesday when we get back to school. Have a great e-learning day. See you on Tuesday.